Welcome back to Learning Muay Thai with Kru Hemanth Kumar, a 3-time World Championship bronze winner, with over 30 years of training experience. Our previous 2 videos covered 4 Muay Thai blocks. In case you missed them, now might be a good time to watch, before learning the next 2.
Hi, I'm Kru Hemanth Kumar from Masters Muay Thai Academy, and again I have my student Ganesh to help us learn Lolo and Lop Lik. Sounds good? Well, maybe you know the word being evasive and how to dodge. I think that sounds familiar to you, right? So today in this lesson, we will learn about how to be evasive against the incoming attack and how to dodge against the incoming attack. Let's see a few moves, right? Ganesh, you ready? Good. Please come into this fighting stance here. Against the cross jab, against the cross jab, against the jab, against the kick. Please step back. Against the kick, against the roundhouse kick, against the roundhouse kick. Good. Against the low kick, against the low kick. Right. So that's a few examples about being evasive. So you can go for counter next. How to go for the dodge? Let's go for the swing. Ready? Whoop. So in the dodge, it puts you in a position where you have more leverage to counter immediately. For example, please come here, Ganesh. Let's go for swing again. Whoop. Whoop. Bang. You learn the punch number 5. Remember the cross uppercut with the dodge. Effective. Ready? Whoop. Bang. Let's go again. Hip. Whoop. Oy. Good. Let's go for the kick again. The thrust kick, please. Whoop. And then bang, bang. Right? Up, kick. Up. We can sweep. We can break. Oh, hey. Elbow as well. A few moves about dodging. Ready, Ganesh? Let's throw the jab and the cross jab now. Up. Right? We dodge the first punch. Bang, bang, bang. Good. So those are a few moves. How you can be evasive in a fight, how you can use dodge to create leverage for counter-attacks. Thank you, Ganesh. I hope you like this video. Please do like and share and hit the subscribe and the bell icon. Thank you.